Chefin, ich glaube, du möchtest was, oder?
I'd prefer something stronger.
But you pay in advance here.
Is it
That's a
enough?
Bob-Finding hobby.
Yes, but don't expect miracles. If you want something better, go and tell the boss.
It doesn't matter, but thanks for the tip. Once my pal arrives, I'll gladly leave it up to him.
Go and take a seat. I'll bring you the drink.
It's okay. I'll drink it right here.
Mein Drink, wer bringt das denn? Achso. Der zaubert sich aus der Hosentasche. Und krieg den?
I'm not going to carry it in my pocket. The innkeeper will spot it. Will you be nicer to me now?
Depends on what you want.
Just a talk, nothing else.
All right then. As I can take a short break, follow me.
Hey,
I
hört
like
aber.
the name of this
Da haben wir
pub.
schon unter 4 Augen.
Salted Cheek. A friend of mine wrote and told me it's worth coming here.
I can't see anything so special here. There's a pub on every corner and most are better than this one.
Maybe I have a wrong address. Is there another Salted Cheek in the vicinity?
I don't know of any, but there's a rumhole of the one-eyed pirate around the corner.
No, that's not it. I believe I'm at the right place. I'm looking for someone. Maybe you could help me.
Don't tell me you're a skull hunter. Don't you know the last one was taken right from here to the mortuary?
You're off, Beam. And before you ask, no, I'm not a policeman. I'm just looking for my pal, Brian. He's around my age. You'd definitely notice him.
I notice many things, but I can't be sure you're not lying, can I?
She's pretty cunning. If she met Brian, he'd have definitely told her I'm coming. I just have to prove to her that I am who I am.
Und Chefin? Soll ich beweisen? Wir. Mit den Hosenknopf. Oder mit dem Brief.
Well, do you believe me now? We've known each other for ages. He wanted me to come, so I'm here.
Don't try this on me, I can't read.
Are you kidding?
No, but I don't want to talk about it.
So how can I prove to you that I really know him? Could anybody else read it for you?
Shut up! No one must know I can't read. Understand?
Oh, absolutely. Stupid girl. How come she can't read?
Und die blöde Kuh kann ich lesen? Toll. Was sagt du dazu?
Hey! Innkeeper! Bring me some meat! Quickly!
Wer bläht da?
Just a second.
If you've met Brian, he might have told you I always wear this medallion. It's the only reminder I have of my parents.
Und überzeugt dir
You
das?
won't stop it, will you? What's your name?
Timothy Moore, but call me Tim.
That tallies. Brian told me you'd come.
So you know him? I have to talk to him.
Inez! Go and get the meat.
You have to wait for a while. I've got something for you. I'm on the way!
Ja, ich seh schon. Der erst nach Sitten erinnert. Jeder bläht auf Fleisch, gell? Und jeder Kasperl? Ich glaub, der hat Bock auf eine flotte Nummer.
Damn. I have a bad feeling about that.
A bad feeling? Da muss ich noch rein.
The bastard has locked it.
Und die ist zu? Scheiße. Da sind wir her wird. Der wie seid retten?
One of your girls has disappeared. You're not worried?
Inez? I've just told her to go to the cellar.
Somebody went after her and locked the door.
Again? Good thing we're not crowded. I wouldn't manage alone.
That's the only thing you're interested in? And what about the girl?
She can take care of herself.
How can you be so calm? She's your employee, if nothing else.
Look, I'm not cut out for this. If you want to play the hero, go ahead. Do what you want.
Do you have a spare key?
Of course. Here it is. And I don't want to know anything about it.
What a runt. He leaves everything up to me.
Und er gibt mir einfach den Key. Praktisch. Pass auf. Timmy, auch wieder.
Without a tool, it's pointless.
Markier den Helden. Warte mal. Ein Key brauche ich. Dann tust du leichter. Frau Kellnerin, halt dich fest. Die Rettung naht.
He's no amateur. He's left the key in the lock and I can't do anything. Without a tool, it's pointless.
Was sagt er?
Without a tool, it's
What do you go?
useless. There's another key in the lock.
Oh, Scheiße. Wo du jetzt?
Without a tool,
Mit dem Knopfball? Nein. Weiß ich noch was?
I can't open the cellar door. There's a key on the other side of the lock.
And what shall I do about that?
I have to get it out somehow. Do you have some kind of tool I could use?
You're kidding. I'm not a locksmith.
Give me a thin knife or whatever will fit into the keyhole.
I won't give you the knife, but you can try it with this.
So, was kriege ich, was soll das sein? Ein Korkenzieher? Na gut, weil der Mund. MacGyver-mäßig. Die kriegt er
I'm
schon hin.
already missing it.
Wenn der MacGyver das kann, dann schafft es der Timmy auch.
Problem solved.
Der Problem ist fort. Passt. Aussperren.
I hope it was worth the effort.
So, wie schaut aus dem Keller?
I don't think so.
So, ein Schlachterbeil schon.
I'm warning you, I have another.
Just go ahead, girl. I'm gonna get you anyway.
It's still not late.
Not too late. Nimm Sackel mit. Ja toll, die kriegt er nicht raus.
It won't move.
You bastard, don't touch me!
I'll teach you, you bitch. You asked for it.
Leave me alone!
Inez, stop messing about and get upstairs. Damn. Hey mate, this isn't necessary.
Is that so?
I have my pals here. Do you know what they'll do with you?
Ja toll, Ju. Von mir waschen gekriegt.
This?
Du, geh mal da. Bin mir noch nicht hin. Ich kann noch nicht vertragen. Ja, pass auf. Ich hab hierher gefutzt, geht, dann lieg ich rum. Wie ein Besoffener. Dabei war ich gar nicht besoffen.
I'm here, boss.
Yeah, I see. What were you doing there for so long?
Sorry, Jack. The tramp from the pub kept me.
Forget about girls for today. Police are everywhere. I don't need any eager roundsmen snooping around after you.
The bitch has run away.
I don't care. Round up the others. Tell them Adieu Jack needs them. We've some work at the cemetery.
But Chief, adieu. Why can't we do a normal job for once? Rob a bank, kill someone, whatever.
You don't like something about it? Shall I find someone else?
Nah. Everything's okay. I just thought, 'cause of the other men, you know they're cowards.
We'll meet there in an hour.
Wasn't it the lunatic? Main thing is he's gone. But what about the girl?
Und? Was ist mit den Alten? Warte mal. Der war die
I've
Finte,
heard
gell?
of grave robbers, but that's not for me.
Ein Grabräuber? Was hast denn
I
du?
can't tear it off just like that. But I've seen a cleaver somewhere in here.
Pass auf. Das Hacke kriegt er nicht.
I'm so hungry I'd eat boots, but I'm not gonna tear it with my teeth.
Aber einen Schinken möchte er nicht.
Nobody can ever persuade me
Da
to
ist
go
wieder ein
back into the
Kanalmitglied.
sewers again. These walls have seen things I don't want to know anything about.
Die dunkle Ecke. Und? Hab ich Licht? Nein. Die Kerzen krieg ich auch nicht. Bleib ein bisschen ausprobieren. Mit den Knöpfen? Nein. Mit den Münzen auch nicht.
These walls have seen...
Tja, fix, Herr Wirt. Oder Taschenlampen. Das bringt ja nicht außer. Der Pappenheimer.
It won't move.
Ja, schön, wenn du bist.
Do you remember this? You forgot to tell me where Brian is.
I'm sorry, but I have other problems if you didn't notice.
I did. Otherwise I wouldn't risk my neck for you.
I'm under no illusions about why you did that, but you should know what happened to Brian.
I bet he's in a jam again.
If you want to see him, he's at the cemetery.
What? How did it happen?
Oh, you think he ain't dead, you fool?
Oh, damn, don't do this to me, girl. So what's up with him?
He had to get out. Police made a raid here. Why do you think the atmosphere is as sombre as it is? Everybody with a black conscience vanished, and Brian did too.
It's a bit of a madhouse here, but I don't care about local gossip. The police can go to hell. What did you say about the cemetery?
It's really near. Take the left from here and you'll see the church steeple straight away. Go there. He said you'll be looking for him.
Oh, great. As if he didn't know I hate cemeteries.
Und? Meint ihr da auf dem Friedhof oder was? Moment, da war noch was.
Are you okay?
Me? Look at yourself. I thought you were dead.
Don't worry. I have a tough bounce.
Ja, gute Frau. Ich hab gerade eine Watschen
Why
gekriegt.
did you go there?
Nee, dabei
you
schluckt der
fool?
Watschen
They might
weg.
have killed you.
Gentlemen haven't died out yet. Honestly, I'd expected a bit of gratitude.
Gratitude? For what, for God's sake? Nobody bothers being nice to me, boy. Don't delude yourself.
As you wish. But it's to my merit that you can walk home on your feet. That doesn't mean anything.
Maybe, but don't expect anything else. There are plenty of hookers in the next room.
What gratitude she shows. I won't give a damn about her next time. Do you know the idiot who did that?
He did nothing thanks to you, but it doesn't matter, he'll come back.
I doubt it. I frightened him pretty well.
What? He almost killed you.
I see you both swallowed the bait. Can't you see I was just pretending? To make him think he killed me and run away? Good trick, isn't it?
I see. Stupid me. I thought you were giving a fic here. But you're pretending having a lump on your head really persuasively.
Okay, you know what? I should have let it be. Find another fool next time.
Look, I know why you did that. But if I had told you about Brian immediately, you wouldn't have wasted a word on me.
But I...
Don't say anything, please. I might be dense, but I'm not naive.
Whoa, she sees right through me. I wanted to gain her respect, but she gained my admiration instead.
Also, Babe, nach dem Waschen kühlt mir
I'll
nichts
come
mehr.
by later.
Come rather soon, it's deserted here today.
Aber der Timmy ist charmant, oder? Hätte man ja schon 2 Frauen am Start. So ein Mächter. Meint ihr zum Friedhof? Aha, geht sogar. Das heißt, ab zum Friedhof. Aber ich darf sagen, bevor wir in den Friedhof reinmarschieren, werden wir eine Pause legen. Die muss ich da erfahren. Und dann darf ich sagen, beim nächsten Mal schauen wir uns dann den Friedhof an. Bis dann und Servus.